Hello everyone. Welcome once again all of you in Indie Technical Solution channel. Today I have brought one more interesting and knowledgeable video for all of you. As you can see my screen, today I am going to share one easy trick with all of you, and that is nothing but how to make YouTube thumbnail using ChatGPT. That is also within a very less amount of time, within a 30-second one. So let me ask you a simple question. As a YouTube creator, have you ever spent hours designing a YouTube thumbnail and still you thought this doesn't look clickable? So when what if I tell you you can create a high professional, high CTR YouTube thumbnail in just 30 seconds? And that is also not using any kind of paid tool. That is you can do simply using the free ChatGPT, where you are not going to require any Photoshop, you are not going to require any designing skill, as well as you are not going to require any paid service. So simply using the smart prompt, you can achieve this particular facility of creating a YouTube thumbnail using ChatGPT. Okay. So before starting how to create a YouTube thumbnail using ChatGPT, just think about why the thumbnails matters for each YouTube creator for their videos. Because as a YouTube creator, you must be aware that whatever title you do to your YouTube video, that brings the traffic to your YouTube video. But thumbnail is very important. Because of your thumbnail, the audience get attracted to your video and they click on your video. So even the best video will fall if thumbnail is boring. So that is why YouTube creator spends a lot of time on creating the thumbnail. Okay, so without wasting too much of time, let's go to the ChatGPT website, and there I will show you step by step how to create the YouTube thumbnail using ChatGPT. Friends, the thumbnail or the wallpaper you can see on my screen, this is also I have created using ChatGPT. Also, I have created one more sample of this. This you can see. So this kind of attractive, high resolution, and the perfect logo thumbnail you can easily create using the ChatGPT. Okay, now let me take you to the screen. I will show you how to create a wonderful high resolution YouTube thumbnail using ChatGPT. Now I have already created the some prompts for all of you. For example, now if you want to create a YouTube thumbnail for the title is how to create YouTube thumbnail using ChatGPT. Now simply you have to give whatever title you want or the relevant title of your video, and you have to mention use this title to create the YouTube thumbnail and give human surprising reaction with relevant logo. Okay. Now simply I am putting this title here and giving a simple instruction to the chat. Okay. I am just asking to create the a beautiful YouTube thumbnail. Okay. Now ChatGPT is working on creation of YouTube thumbnail. Friends, every time whatever video I make, every time I use the ChatGPT to create the YouTube thumbnail. And you can see my on my YouTube channel, these all thumbnails I have created using the ChatGPT only. Here you can see. So let's go to the ChatGPT and see our thumbnail is being created or not. Okay, I'm just refreshing this and let's see. Okay, our thumbnail is almost ready. So you can see. So this is exactly what I am saying. Okay, so you can simply download this. I'm just downloading this. Okay, and I will show you one more prompt and will ask the uh, ChatGPT create the thumbnail for it. Same prompt. Okay, now here instead of you human surprising reaction, I am asking here give birth with surprising reaction. Okay, now let's see. So friends, you can see we don't have to design any kind of pictures or any kind of resolution to create the YouTube thumbnail. So traditionally, we have to spend a lot of time to create such wonderful YouTube thumbnails, but due to the AI and ChatGPT, this service is free, and within a very short amount of time, we are getting our YouTube thumbnail created. So just to wait for a second. Here, our second thumbnail is almost ready. Okay, now you can see. Let me download this also and just go to the downloadable folder. Let's open it. Now you can see. Now, without spending too much of time in designing, setting up the resolution, etc., we are getting the wonderful, attractive, and clickable YouTube thumbnail using the chat. So that's it from today's video, friends. I hope all of you have understood how to create the YouTube thumbnail in ChatGPT within a very short. So if you are benefited from this video, please share with your friends so that they can also get help from this. Okay. Thanks all of you.